Hi, Sheila here from the Satin Crystals Boutique. Today I want to show you our Leopard Jasper skull. This is a natural stone showing a mix of warm colors in browns, reds, whites, and yellows, reminding us of a leopard's fur coat. The gemstone has been polished into a smooth skull, but it retains some of its organic dips, craters, and veins. Leopard Jasper helps to connect you with your spirit animal, providing guidance and protection during your life's journeys. Skulls aid in channeling work and connecting with the spiritual realms, past loved ones, the other side, and alien energies. Each Leopard Jasper skull will vary in its colors, patterns, and inclusions, making each one truly unique. Thank you for watching today, and come visit us at the Satin Crystals Boutique anytime.